Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again for another video review for the i7 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, so this is a series of videos for the i7 Pro Max, and this time we're going to check on the support app, especially the section for the watch faces for the i7 Pro Max. Okay, our previous video we showed you the support app. Okay, it is using the HiWatch Pro Support App, and this time we're going to check more on the details of the app as well as its downloadable watch faces for the i7 Pro Max. Okay, so we have here the support app, the HiWatch Pro. So let's open the app. We already activated our Bluetooth connectivity, and we will try to check on the support app now. Okay, so we have here the app. Okay, let's see if we have connected. So it automatically connects the smartwatch, okay, to the support app, and let's see if we do have a stable connection. Okay, so we have a connection. Okay, so here on the UI, as you can see, we have the dial settings. Okay, so that is the section for watch faces. But before that, let me show you. Okay, so we have here the menus, the bubble type menu, but you can change it, okay, by going on the menu style here of the smartwatch. So we have the list menu style. Okay, so let's check. Okay, go back. Let's go for the menu. Where's that icon? Okay, can't find that icon. No. Let's go back and check for that icons. Okay, if you want to change the menu for this one, I think it's here menu style. Okay, so there's another way to change the menu here. Okay, you can change it fast, okay, and easily by using the crown button here. You double press it. Okay, as you can see, we changes to the grid menu. Okay, bubble type, and now the list. So very, okay, useful feature, but it's not available on, okay, there's no tutorial here on the user manual. Okay, I just accidentally discovered it yesterday by pressing this button here. I don't know if other smartwatches do have this feature, because I tried it in other series 6 smartwatch, and so far the function is not available. Okay, so let's go back to the watch faces. Okay, here on the set menu, we see here the dial settings. That is the section for the watch faces. Okay, just tap on it and it will load all the available downloadable watch faces. And as you can see here, most are Christmas theme watch faces. There's no New Year's theme here. I hope they will add one. And of course, still it has the popular astronaut, okay, or cosmic type watch faces. Okay, we also have here the scenery digital watch faces. What else do we have here? I think it seems like it's all free here. Okay, so we have here some football themed cartoons. Okay, photos. What else? So that's it. So the watch faces here is not categorized. Okay, for the dial settings. Anyway, we only have, okay, seems like we only have digital watch face kasi we don't have analog watch face. I don't know if we do have a custom watch face. Seems like we don't have a custom watch face also. Okay, I like custom watch faces, but seems here, okay, that we don't have it. Okay, we'll see later on. Let's check. Okay, maybe there's a custom watch face for the i7 Pro Max. Okay, so let's check and download. Okay, let's pick one. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's have this. No. Okay, this panda. Okay, so we have here the watch face for the panda. You can change the location of the time, and we have here the change dial. Seems like we do have a custom watch face. Okay, so we do have a custom watch face. It's not just labeled on the app. Okay, so let's try first this one. Okay, tap on it. Okay, this one, then synchronize dial. Okay, so here it is upgrading. It's automatically pushed to your smartwatch. So let's see. Okay, let's check. Okay, so far it is fast. Still depends on your internet connectivity and your smartphone, of course. Okay, we're waiting, and let's see. Well, be loaded. Okay, the smartwatch restarts, and let's see. And we have here the HiWatch. Okay, the watch faces for the HiWatch. So it is successfully downloaded to our smartwatch. Okay, let's have another one. Let's see. Okay, so let's pick this one and synchronize dial. So there's no option for changing the color of the text. Let's see. So 17%. Okay, while we are waiting, so let's take a look again at the design of the wearable. So this is your i7 Pro Max smartwatch. Looking good with the ceramic back here, metal body, brush finish. Okay, and so far it has a good craftsmanship compared to other Series 7 smartwatches. Okay, so we have a slim bezel here on both top and the side, but on the bottom part it's much wider. And that's it. We have successfully loaded the watch face. Okay, so as you can see here, as we stated earlier, we don't have a section for the custom watch faces. Instead, it's already available here in the watch face, okay, section. So we have here, just pick any watch face and access this change dial section. So we have here the watch faces, and we're going to use this one. Okay, so completed. So we have here the watch face. So if you like this one, just check. And we have here the watch face. I don't know if you do have the section 4. Seems like we don't have the section for the change of color for the text. Okay, as you can see here. I hope they will add it, okay, on their next update for the app. So it's a pretty new app, so expected it is expected that there are some lacking. There are some features that is not available in the smartwatch or in the support app. Anyway, so let's try this one. Okay, so we have the watch face. So the default color for the text is white. So if you're going to choose a watch face or custom watch face, just look for a custom watch face or a background that has a dark color. Okay, so let's try synchronize dial. Okay, will be successful, seems like. Okay, it is okay. Let's see. Again, there are some missing features for the custom watch face here in the HiWatch Pro app. But so far, there's no issues with the connectivity. Downloading watch faces is pretty easy, although it's not complete. Okay, there are some few collections only. Let's see with the custom watch face if we will have a successful download. For the custom watch face, there's no option for the color of the text. Okay, so it is updated. We'll see. Okay, so we have successfully changed the watch face for the i7 Pro Max. Okay, aside from that, from downloadable watch faces, we also have here some preloaded watch faces like this one. Beautiful watch face, digital watch face. Okay, we also have analog here. Okay, so that's it. So we have a lot of options already available in the smartwatch, plus we have some downloadable watch faces here, although it is not comprehensive compared to the other smartwatches like the Dafit app, okay, and Fit Pro, I think. Okay, so that's it for the installation of watch face for the HiWatch Pro with the i7 Pro Max smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the installation of and downloading of watch faces, especially for custom watch faces, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.